This is a video I've wanted to do for the longest while, a little tutorial on the excavators and on basically how they work and how they function. What's the function? Because you all maybe want to know, like, kind of wondering like how people is really work this stuff at the end of the day. Well, this is the right control. Hear me know the right. This is the left control. As you can see, you swing left, you goes left, swing right, you go right. Function here is that like when you push out the stick, the control, as you can see, the stick going out, pulling back the bucket, the stick comes in with the bucket. This side here on your right hand side, we'll say right side control, you know, you push down, it drops the boom, you pull up, it raises the boom, you pull left, curls the bucket, push right, pulls the bucket. This here is the main throttle. This is actually what like speeds up the machine. As you can see my hand turning on the gauge, you see it goes up to like 10, drop it back down, it comes down to 1. This here is your fuel gauge. This is hydraulic oil temperature. This here is water temperature. This on the screen here, well, this unit, that it actually have a little malfunction on the machine itself, but nothing serious. 2 pedals outwards. Well, right now it's in forward position. So as you can see, I push forward, machine goes forward. You pull back, goes in reverse. You swing on this side. So if it is here where the machine go right, you mash your right pedal. If you go left, mash your right pedal. If you want to kind of cut it to the back, push this side, you know, which side ever you want to cut. So here, as you can see, hand on the control, swing. So here, basically, well, here, that is how they function.